Did you know that 2% of Americans firmly believe in the flat Earth theory? Yes, you heard it right. In the age of space exploration and satellite images, there exists a group of people who reject the notion of a spherical Earth. Instead, they believe that we live on a flat plane, a disk, surrounded by a mysterious edge. This, my friends, is the crux of the flat Earth theory. Despite the overwhelming scientific consensus supporting a round Earth, these flat earthers hold their ground, making up around 2% of the American population. That's over 6 million people. They find their belief in various interpretations of evidence, from the Bible to empirical observations. Now, you might be scratching your head wondering how and why this theory persists. But that's the beauty of it. It's an enigma wrapped in a riddle, shrouded in mystery. So buckle up as we delve deeper into this fascinating theory and explore the mysterious limits of a supposed flat Earth. What if you were told that everything you've learned about the Earth's shape is a massive conspiracy? Imagine your world turned upside down, or rather flattened out. This is the reality for those who subscribe to the flat Earth theory. These believers, these flat earthers, they view our world quite differently. Stepping into the shoes of a flat earther, you quickly realize that their perspective is not based on a whim. Instead, it's rooted in a deep-seated belief in a grand conspiracy. A conspiracy so vast and intricate that it involves governments, space agencies, and scientific communities worldwide. They argue that these entities have been feeding the public a spherical lie for centuries. Flat earthers disregard traditional scientific evidence as part of this elaborate ruse. Photos of a round Earth from space, fabricated, the physics that support a globe model, misinterpreted or manipulated. They believe that those in power have a vested interest in maintaining the illusion of a spherical Earth. But what do they propose instead? They provide their own set of evidences. For instance, they argue that the horizon always appears flat to the observer, regardless of the altitude. They believe this is a clear indication of a flat Earth. Furthermore, they point to the behavior of water, which they state always seeks its level and does not conform to a curved surface. They also question why we can't feel the supposed spin of the Earth, and why, despite the alleged curvature, distant objects that should be hidden from view can still be seen. Flat earthers also lean heavily on their interpretation of ancient scripts and religious texts, which they argue describe a flat, stationary Earth. This perspective, while vastly different from the mainstream understanding, is held with conviction by those who subscribe to it. They are not merely contrarians or skeptics, but people who genuinely believe in a reality that is fundamentally different from the one accepted by most. Intriguing, isn't it? But there's more to this theory than meets the eye. Welcome to the Flat Earth Society, the hub for those who dare to question the status quo. Delving into a world that rejects the established scientific consensus, we stumble upon the Flat Earth Society. This organization, a beacon for those who believe our world is not a sphere but a flat plane, has been challenging the mainstream narrative since the mid-20th century. The Society's origins trace back to Samuel Shenton, an Englishman who, in 1956, founded the International Flat Earth Research Society. Shenton was a man of conviction, unwavering in his belief that the Earth was flat. He dedicated his life to promoting this unconventional perspective. Upon Shenton's passing in 1971, Charles K. Johnson took the helm, and the Society was reborn as the International Flat Earth Society. Johnson, an American, was a tireless advocate, promoting the flat Earth theory through newsletters, interviews, and public debates. He worked tirelessly to keep the Society active and its theory alive for more than 2 decades. Today, the Society continues to thrive, using the power of the internet to reach a global audience. With an official website and active forum, the Society provides a platform for discussions, debates, and dissemination of flat Earth ideas. The Society has a diverse membership with people from all walks of life. Some are drawn to the Society out of sheer curiosity, while others are ardent believers. Among the Society's prominent members are celebrities like rapper B.O.B. and reality TV star Tyler Tequila, who have used their platforms to voice their support for the Flat Earth theory. The Flat Earth Society plays a crucial role in promoting the Flat Earth theory. They question the established scientific consensus, encourage open-mindedness, and foster a sense of community among like-minded individuals. They're not just a society but a movement, a collective of people who dare to think differently and challenge perceived reality. But what happens when we take a closer look at the edge of this flat Earth? Imagine setting sail on a journey to the edge of the Earth. What do you think you would find? In the realm of the flat Earth theory, The concept of the edge is a fascinating one. It's an idea that both bewilders and captivates, a tantalizing mystery that sends the mind whirling into the depths of the unknown. What does lie at the edge of the Earth, if indeed there is an edge at all? For some, the edge of our flat world is a vast icy wall, an unscalable barrier forever separating us from the oblivion beyond. This belief is often accompanied by the idea that this wall is guarded by secretive entities, preventing any daring explorers from venturing too far and discovering the truth. Others, however, propose a different edge altogether. In their view, the world extends infinitely, a never-ending plane stretching out into the cosmos. In this interpretation, there's no edge to reach, no boundary to cross. The journey to the edge of the Earth becomes a journey into infinity, an eternal odyssey into the unknown. Yet another belief suggests that the edge is not physical, but perceptual. It's a horizon that constantly recedes as you approach it, a vanishing point that always seems just out of reach. This idea posits that the edge is not a place, but a concept, an illusion created by our limited perspective. So, how does one journey to this elusive edge? By boat, by plane, or by foot? The answer is as varied as the interpretations of the edge itself. Some believe in secret routes, hidden passages that lead to the edge. Others think that the journey requires not a physical voyage but a mental one, a shift in consciousness that allows one to perceive the edge. The journey to the edge is a journey into the heart of the flat earth theory, a voyage into the unknown, the unexplored, the unfathomable. It's a quest for truth, a search for answers, an exploration of the boundaries of belief and understanding. So is there really an edge, or is it just another illusion in this grand theory? In the end, the true beauty of the flat earth theory lies in its call for exploration and questioning. Isn't that what the essence of science is all about? The relentless pursuit of answers, the insatiable thirst for knowledge, the unyielding desire to peel back the layers of the universe and see what lies beneath. It's about asking questions, challenging norms, and pushing the boundaries of what we think we know. It's about curiosity and skepticism. These two are the twin engines that drive all scientific exploration. Curiosity is what propels us forward. It's the spark that ignites the flame of inquiry. Skepticism, on the other hand, is what keeps us grounded. It's the tether that pulls us back. It's the brake that ensures we don't rush headlong into untested assumptions. Flat Earth theory, regardless of its veracity, embodies these principles. It's a call to action, an invitation to journey into the unknown, to step outside the comfort zone of accepted wisdom and chart your own course. It's an assertion that the world is not as it seems, a challenge to the conventional wisdom that the Earth is round. So, I invite you, my friends, to explore this theory. Not because it's true or false, but because it's a testament to the power of questioning. A testament to the courage it takes to stand against the tide of popular opinion and say, wait a minute, what if... Don't take my word for it, don't take anyone's word for it. Research, question, explore. Look at the evidence, weigh the arguments, and form your own opinion. This is not just about the shape of our Earth, it's about the shape of our thinking. It's about the courage to question, the willingness to explore, and the determination to discover. So, what do you think? Is the Earth flat, round, or something else entirely? The journey to find out is yours to take.